Hello friends, very warm welcome to our new channel. So today I will tell you about how to improve your spoken English, right? So this is the most important question people are asking day by day. How to improve your spoken English, right? So today I will tell you about 6 steps in order to improve your spoken English, right? So I'm going to share first step, reading section, right? So reading section is most important for everyone, right? If you want to improve your vocabulary, if you want to improve your advanced level structures and sentences, so you will have to read English newspaper. This newspaper will always help you in order to improve your spoken English, right? So you can read English newspaper, right? And one more important question, if you want to read English newspaper, so in initial stage you wouldn't understand it those newspaper, to be honest, right? So you will have to adopt the habit of reading newspaper, right? So maybe which area you have more interested, so you can read it, you can understand it. If you don't aware about those and articles, so you can note it down those vocabulary, which vocabulary are more important, right? If you don't know, so you can note it down, and when you get a time, so you can revise those vocabulary whatever you have noted down on your copy, right? And second step is that, okay, you can just read any books. If you couldn't understand any newspaper, so in initial stage you can read any books or story app, whatever you like, just you can read it. Okay, so let's move on to the next section, listening. Listening is also very important. If you want to listen any podcast, if you have free time, so you can listen any podcast, right? I have written over there on this blackboard and audio lecture of English. You can just listen it and improve your spoken English, right? When you will listen any listening section, so you can just listen very carefully, right? You can just and listen what they are speaking, and when you get a time, just speak it and include in your own conversation, right? This is the point number second. So let's move on to the next one, grammar section, right? For spoken English, if people are saying grammar is not important for everyone, right? So part of speech, tenses, modals, conjunction and prepositions and etc. So many things are there, but you don't want to listen everybody, right? Do your work, to be honest, right? So you can just read any and you can just read any and articles, so you can just find it out what types of things was there. Okay, you can note it down on your copy, and you can just and learn part of speech and tenses, modal, conjunction and preposition, right? So this will always help you how to frame the sentences, all right? So this grammar is very important for everyone. And come to the point number 4, and writing session. If you want to develop more command on writing section, so you will have to just write at least one page, maybe on any topic. If you wanna write any essay on pollution, on friend, right? So you can note it down, you can write it down. Okay, if you don't get any idea in the basic, so you can just enter search on Google, you can find it out and answer from there. Report writing, okay, you can do it. And any topic, if you would like to write on any topic, so you can write it down, right? So my next and the tips and tricks are here, speaking. So that is the most important. So people used to say, if you want to and learn everything like that, and you have done it, and reading section, listening section, grammar section, you have done it, but I didn't get any partner, how can I speak English, right? So my humble request to everyone who want to speak and spoken English, so they can stand in front of mirror, right? In a initial stage they didn't get any result from there, so maybe sooner or later, at least more than 10 days, 12 days, and if they will practice like this in front of mirror, definitely they got that much improvement from there. Okay, last one is implementation. That is the most important. Promise to yourself, speak only in English. Whether it is right or wrong, only you should just speak like that, right? So maybe it will take and more than 1 year, 2 years, because this language is not our language, because it's very in native language. So I will have to just speak. I will have to just smooth this language, and we have to just enhancement of ourselves, just like a mobile phone. Okay, so until then and you will have to and watch this and session, and you will have to improve your spoken English. This channel will always and give you so many things, right? And you can just stay and updated and share this and video to our friend, and along with that you can just subscribe this channel if you like it. Okay, so until then, keep doing, keep practice, and keep loving this channel. So till the time, bye bye, have a great day, and I will come very back. Okay, so till the time, bye bye, have a great day ahead.